Hey yo guys, hello. Well, as you saw in my last short, I threw my plane off the counter. So now we're gonna rebuild it. Now we got this piece. It fell off the wing right there, the winglet. Put that back on. And this piece going back here. Yeah, and again, guys, go check out IDGM's channel, my best friend's channel. Go check out, go subscribe to his channel. Don't forget to just subscribe to my channel. Oh, also go check out my videos in on my channel. Also, here's go subscribe to IDGM. Also, 2 other channels from other my friends. Also, shout out to them. Go subscribe to the Super. I forgot what it is, but like the Super Brian Bros. That's one of them. Also, go subscribe to the Epic Pro Bros. That's another one of my friends' YouTube channels. And yeah, just go check out the channel. Maybe even subscribe. They don't have that many videos, but definitely I would check them out if I were you guys. How does this happen? But yeah. Now let's go back. Maybe I will do a collab with IDGM soon. I don't know. Maybe not. But I think it would be definitely a yes. Yeah. But anyways, guys, where is this piece go? Right here. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. This quick little video of me rebuilding the plane after the aftermath of that YouTube short. I didn't actually want to throw it off, but it was already too late to save the plane. But you can't always control our physics and stuff. It's not like I have powers. Well, no one does really. But hold up, where does this piece go? Found this piece off, but now I don't know where it goes. Where do you go, buddy? I don't know where it goes, so I'm just gonna stick it down here. Right there. Now let's stick the roof back on. And the last piece. And there it is, guys. This is the last piece. The plane is now rebuilt and ready to go on. So, sorry guys, something broke off again. Hold up, guys. Aha! Found the problem. Okay, I found the problem. The seat was loose and it wasn't letting the thing close. So let's just put it back in there. Now, put this together. Let's put the suitcase back in there. And let's close this back up. What the? Oh, there we go. Now the plane is done. Now it can go on any other flights it wants. Also, guys, this weekend I was gonna post a video of me at the East Hampton Airport. If you saw the short, yeah, I was supposed to put like a 30-minute video or so of me spotting planes. But I thought it would say, like, videos would save on CapCut that I've edited, but it did not save, and I erased the videos. So maybe one of this weekend, maybe I'll go to the airport and spot some planes. And yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.